God, your breath. Coach, isn't this funny? Go. Come here. So I'm really excited for proof. I know, I can't believe I got my dress already, and how does the cat hair we're in the car? Cat hair.
You have a problem? I'm full of dust and stuff.
But no, stop it.
Clean up the crap and you throw stuff in there. It's like a treasure hunt that I don't want to participate in.
Pretty bird. Coach! Carmel! Coach! What are you doing?
Come on.
Pretty bird. What? So much cat hair. Did you just give up? Coach, are you kidding me right now? Bye, Carmel. I love you. Don't break the house.